Good evening, folks. Eli from Kingsridge Performance and 4x4 in Leeds. Now tonight we've got for you this beautiful 2019, it's just over a year old, registered May 2019, Mercedes GLC 250 petrol, not the diesel one, which is what everyone wants petrol. It's of course automatic, 4MATIC, the four-wheel drive, and it's the night edition, so you've got all the black detailing all around the car, which gives it a lovely contrast when you've got the grey bodywork as well. It's in immaculate condition. Like I said, it's just over a year old, bought direct from Mercedes by one private owner from new. It's only done 6,000 miles ish, so barely run in. Priced very competitively. We can do some great finance offers, and of course we offer nationwide delivery to your door via trailer, or driven, or even in an enclosed trailer if that's what you prefer. And of course the car's still got Mercedes warranty, 2 years left, including breakdown assistance and MOT cover. And first service is due now. We will get that done at our approved workshop, Mercedes approved workshop, before you take delivery. Of course there's no MOT due because the car's not 3 years old. It's one of the best colours I think for this car. It's the Premium Plus model, which is the one you want. It's got all the extras thrown in. Of course you've got LED lights front and rear. With it being the AMG line edition, you've got the AMG style wheels in 19 inches, and of course the AMG perforated brake discs and the silver AMG calipers. Because it's the night edition, you get the gloss black wing mirrors with the built-in indicators, and then the same gloss black trim round the windows. You've got the privacy glass, you've got the roof rails as well, and of course the essential electric sliding opening panoramic roof. Keyless entry, exit and start. LED rear lights as well at the back, and of course parking sensors all round, as well as reversing camera, which is located just under here. Twin AMG exhaust outlets. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the outside. Like I say, lovely condition, great colour scheme. Let's have a look around the inside. So I'll start off with the boot area. So of course you've got power tailgate with remote closing and locking. We've also, on this one, it comes with the original Mercedes boot liner. First aid kit, you've got the seat drop down buttons here, the load space covers in place as it should be, then underneath you've got the cargo net, storage box and divider net. That's all in place from new. Moving around to the inside, passenger side, we've got the Artico leather finish with the perforated centres and the contrast white stitching. Burmester audio sound system as part of the Premium Plus package, definitely a must-have. Open pore dark wood finish. I think it's called black ash. And the same on both doors. You've also of course got the configurable ambient lighting around the car, with it being the Premium Plus. I think you can see that one glowing there. And then going on to the driver's side, so we've got the lovely satin aluminium finish to the switches. You've got the power folding wing mirrors, window controlled, window lock, and of course the electric memory seat and seat heating. Burmester audio again, and the speakers at the front, including tweeters in the door. Then the backlit Mercedes-Benz stainless steel entry sill plates, AMG floor mats and pedals. Electric lumbar support. auto lights, keyless start, and that's your gear shifter there, or gear selector I should say. Inside you've got the bigger widescreen because it's the Premium Plus rather than the smaller framed one, so it looks much nicer and is easier to see. Glove box with book pack and locking wheel nut. It's pretty much like new, the car. Of course got 2 keys as well. Your shortcut to the controls are here, and then you've got the steering wheel button and the touchpad here that you can use to control. This of course controls your sport, comfort, eco, dynamic selections, whatever you want to drive mode you want to put the car in. Parking sensors off, you can also put it in manual mode. Automatic stop start on off, traction control off, then the media screen on off, and then obviously that's your volume button there. You've got some cup holders and your 12-volt socket there. So you can configure everything on the car, from navi, radio, which of course has DAB as well as FM, media if you want to play back various different media options, for example from your Bluetooth device, telephone, vehicle, so then you can start configuring things like your dynamic select. Let's say you wanted to alter the ambient lighting, so you could do that with this menu here. If we can find it, there we go. Ambient lighting color, choose between amber, neutral and polar, or blue to you and me. So yeah, loads you can do. Just press back and of course it takes you back through the menus. And that is pretty much it, folks. It's a fantastic car, definitely recommended. You've of course got electric steering column, cruise control and automatic wipers, lights, gear shifters, all the buttons on the steering wheel to control everything as well. It's all there, and it's a great car, really is. Can't recommend these enough. Does everything very well. And with it having the 19-inch wheels, you don't get the crabbing that you do on some of the cars with the larger wheels, so it drives lovely as well. A known issue with it when you get the 21s is the crabbing, where the car skips when you turn, which isn't nice, and it's not really fixable unless you get smaller wheels. So of course this is the one to have. Petrol, automatic, 4-wheel drive. It's the 250 as well, so it's just a nice balance between power, fuel consumption, efficiency, insurance and everything else. Highly recommended. Give me a call if you would like to discuss this car further, or you'd like a finance quote. I'm more than happy to help in any way I can. And like I say, if you want the car delivered to you, not a problem at all. It will arrive to you in perfect condition. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel in the meantime. See you on the next one. Thanks, bye.